What if a $200 machine could unlock a $1,000 a week business? We're talking about pressure washing. One of the most underrated high-profit side hustles out there. It's real work, real dirty, and real money. If you've ever seen a video of someone cleaning a driveway or sidewalk and thought, wait, someone gets paid to do that? Yes, they do. And sometimes they get paid a lot. In this episode, we'll show you how to start a legit pressure washing gig from scratch, even if you're a teen or young adult with zero experience. We'll cover tools, pricing, marketing, and how to go from zero to fully booked in just a few weeks. Welcome to EarnBook, the channel where we turn smart side hustles into real income. Today's hustle is pressure washing, one of the best hands-on gigs out there for people who want to start small and grow fast. It's visual, satisfying, and profitable. And the best part? You don't need a college degree, a fancy website, or even a truck. This is a perfect weekend gig for teens, students, or anyone who wants to earn solid money doing something useful and visible. Let's break it down. Why pressure washing? Pressure washing is in high demand because it's work people don't want to do themselves. Driveways, fences, sidewalks, patios, they all collect grime, algae, and dirt. And most homeowners would rather pay someone else to deal with it. The jobs are fast. Most take 30 minutes to 2 hours. Clients love the instant before and after transformation. And you can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per job, depending on what you're cleaning. You're not mowing lawns or fixing plumbing. You're restoring what's already there and making it look brand new. Plus, every job you do becomes free advertising. People love posting their clean driveway or sidewalk online. That means you get word of mouth and visual proof without spending a dime on ads. What you need to start? You don't need a $1,000 commercial setup. You just need a few basics. Here's a solid starter kit. A gas-powered pressure washer, which you can get used or new for around $200 to $400. A 50-foot hose and a basic set of spray nozzles. Access to water, a sturdy pair of gloves, and eye protection. Optional but helpful, a surface cleaner attachment to speed up driveways, an extension wand for fences or siding, and a bottle of detergent for mold or heavy grime. Don't want to buy right away? Rent a pressure washer for $40 to $60 a day at Lowe's or a local hardware store. One job can pay for your rental and help you decide if it's worth going all in. What to clean and what to charge. Your target surfaces are the things people see every day but don't want to deal with. Start with driveways. Most go for $100 to $200. Add walkways and sidewalks for another $50 to $100. Fences can run $75 to $100, $250, depending on size. Decks and patios are usually $100 to $300. Even garbage bins or outdoor furniture can bring in $50 or more. You can also bundle jobs, like a driveway plus front walk, special for $175, or a patio plus fence refresh for $250. Always walk the site before quoting. If the surface is covered in moss or old stains, you can upsell a pre-treatment spray or mold cleaner. And if you're fast and organized, you can knock out multiple jobs in one day. 3 average jobs at $150 each? That's $450 in a Saturday. Here's the math most beginners miss. If you do just 2 jobs per weekend, say one Saturday and one Sunday, and you average $175 per job, you're pulling in $350 a weekend, or about $1,400 a month. Add in some weekday evening jobs after school or work, even 1 or 2 a week, and you're now looking at $2,000 to $2,500 a month in side income. Not bad for a garden hose with muscle. How to get clients. This is a neighborhood-based business. You win by being visible and vocal. Start with flyers. Print before and after photos and hand them out or leave them at doors. Post on local Facebook groups, especially ones for your neighborhood or city. Use terms like driveway cleaning in your town to show up in searches. Use the Nextdoor app. It's free, hyper-local, and full of homeowners. And don't be afraid to ask friends, family, teachers, or neighbors. One good job can create a ripple of referrals. In the beginning, offer a free or discounted service, but only if the client agrees to let you take and post before and after pics. That one image might land you 5 more jobs. How to stand out. Anyone can buy a washer. What makes you different is how you show up. Wear a clean shirt with your hustle name on it, even just a custom tee. Be early, clean up after yourself, thank the customer. Explain what you did and what they should avoid, like sealing too soon or rinsing off detergent with a garden hose. Leave a flyer behind with your number and a reminder card for seasonal cleaning. If you're young, lean into it. People love supporting polite, hardworking teens and students. Growth game plan. Once you've done 5 to 10 jobs, reinvest your profits, buy your own gear, raise your prices, set up a Google business profile, start an Instagram account to post your results, create packages for seasonal services, offer HOA discounts, add a referral program, something like 10% off for every new customer they send your way. Eventually, you can expand. Offer add-ons like gutter cleaning or house washing, hire a friend, cover more neighborhoods. We've seen teens hit $2,000 a month in under 2 months. Real-world examples. Luke, 17 in Florida, started with a borrowed washer. After a few free jobs for neighbors, he began charging $100 per driveway. 2 months in, he was clearing over $1,200 a month on weekends. Ava, 19, in Oregon, mixed pressure washing with dog walking. She used her first $400 to buy a better washer and now has regular HOA contracts. Marcus, 22, in Texas, started part-time. After 2 summers, he turned it into a full business, hired 2 friends, and now earns over $4,000 a month during peak season. These aren't one-offs. They're ordinary people who started and stuck with it. Keeping clients coming back. This isn't a one-time gig. Pressure washing is perfect for recurring business. Offer seasonal cleanings, like spring refreshes and fall cleanups. Send reminder messages. Set up a 6-month maintenance check program. Throw in a loyalty deal. After every 5th job, give 10% off the next. Partner with local landscapers or house cleaners for bundled services. The cleaner their space looks, the more likely they'll want it cleaned again, and the more likely the neighbors will ask who did it. No truck, no problem. You don't need a pickup to start. Rent equipment when you need it. Offer walkable services in your neighborhood. Use a wagon or dolly to move your gear around. Partner with a friend or sibling who drives and split the profits. Small gear, big hustle. Easy add-ons that boost profit. Want to make more per visit? Offer extras like trash bin cleaning, welcome mat refreshes, or a garage floor rinse. These little upgrades take 10 minutes, but can add $20 to $100 to your ticket. List these as add-ons in your flyer or pitch. It makes your offer look premium and gives clients more ways to say yes. Safety and insurance. If you're working beyond friends and family, protect yourself. Basic liability insurance costs around $25 a month through services like Thimble. Wear goggles, gloves, and closed-toe shoes. Use a simple waiver or service agreement. Even if you're just starting out, treating your side hustle like a real business builds confidence and trust. The mindset that wins. This hustle rewards consistency. Be the person who shows up on time, who finishes the job clean, who says thank you and sweeps the walkway when you're done. Track your income. Reinvest in tools. Keep photos of every job. The washer isn't your secret weapon. You are. Pressure washing is the kind of hustle that turns water, time, and hustle into real cash. No resume, no degree, just effort and proof. You don't need a truck or a team, just water pressure and initiative. Thanks for watching EarnBook. Stick around for the next episode where we dig even deeper into making money in the dirty business. We're just getting started. Subscribe to EarnBook. Real ideas, real income, no bull. We'll see you in the next one.